Hello everybody, welcome to MachineStation. My name is George Rivera and today I am very pleased to announce that we have a mighty VIPER 6350. This is a very big boy bridge mill. It's a very large machine and the equipped with list is completely stacked. So after you're done viewing this video, you have to check out the specifications list. But just to name off a few, this machine comes with the Fanuc 18i MB CNC Control. It's got 4th axis for the indexing head. You've got glass scales on all 3 axes and the table is 236 inches by 118 inches. Now you've got a 90-degree angle head that comes with the machine, a 40 count side mount automatic tool changer, and you've got a 50 taper gear head 6,000 RPM spindle. Renishaw probing system with the 50 taper probe and a high pressure through spindle coolant system. For full specifications, like I said, it will be in the description below. You have to check it out, but first, let's see the condition of this machine and hear how the machine sounds. Well, there you have it, the Mighty Viper 6350. For any further questions about the machine, about its location, condition, where you can get it, you can call us at 909-919-9600. You can email us at sales@machinestation.us or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.